Okay, so we are going to start our smart home series, first season, exploring the features of Alexa, Amazon Alexa.
Oh no, that animal is not in our zoo yet.
So we are going to start.
Animal.
Elephant.
The elephant sounds like this. Come on, ask for another animal.
Monkey.
The monkey sounds like this. Come on, ask for another animal.
Here we are playing animal sounds
Lion.
on Alexa.
This is the sound of the lion. Okay, which other animal sound do you want to listen to?
Giraffe.
Sorry, that animal is not in our zoo yet. Which one do you like to hear instead?
Tiger.
This is the sound of the tiger. Okay, which other animal sound